guys, welcome to the craft table. Today is part 2 of our 5-part series of the Fairy Village. Today we are priming and painting. Priming is easy. Take them outside, take the best primer that you've got, white, and spray them down, probably more than once. Birdhouse wood is a lot of times balsa wood, which is very thin but very absorbent, and it will paint will just soak right in and disappear. So spray them at least a couple times. And as far as painting the outside part, the colors, for me that's pretty simple. I wanted something woodsy and old looking, like it was leftovers. So let me show you what I'm using. And it's just acrylic paint. So I have black and white and green and brown. Those are the colors that I'm going to be using. And you mix them up and use a lot of water, and it really does look like pieces of wood that you would find in the forest. Kind of mossy and old and brown, and you will see. So shall we get to work? Okay. And there you have it. That's how easy it is. Let me show you close up. Just water, brown, green, white, black, and let it just do what it does. And it will look, to me, very woodsy. So, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. And remember, this is only part 2. Part 3 will be coming up very shortly. And I really hope to see you there. So, if you enjoyed these tutorials and would like to see more, you know the spiel. Subscribe. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Fridays are Fast Fridays, so you will see and learn something in 2 minutes or less. And I want to really thank you guys for being with me and showing up all the time. You guys are such great company. So, really hope you have a great week. We'll see you soon. Love you guys. Bye.